Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Qatari coffee. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of green coffee beans, which we'll roast ourselves. Don't forget the essential spices, a generous ½ teaspoon of ground cardamom, a pinch of saffron threads, and a couple of whole cloves. Finally, have your dala, a traditional Qatari coffee pot, ready for brewing. This ensures an authentic experience. Now, let's roast those green coffee beans. Place them in a pan over medium heat, stirring constantly. We're aiming for a light, golden brown color, not dark. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once they reach the desired shade, immediately remove them from the heat and spread them on a tray to cool quickly. This stops the roasting process and preserves their delicate flavor. With your beans cooled, it's time to grind them. Use a coffee grinder to achieve a coarse consistency, similar to sea salt. Avoid grinding too finely, as this can lead to a bitter brew. Next, in a separate bowl, mix your ground coffee with a ½ teaspoon of cardamom, the pinch of saffron, and the 2 whole cloves. This aromatic blend is key to Qatari coffee's distinctive flavor. Finally, let's brew our delicious Qatari coffee. Fill your dala with about 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, add your prepared coffee and spice mixture. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to fully meld. Pour and enjoy your authentic, fragrant Qatari coffee, a perfect warm beverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.